Otherwise known as. That's what I was trying to say. It was not going.
Other known as.
Other known as. Kate.
Kate and Kat.
So today we're doing the Crown 4 kit. It's called Checkmate from UL. It's got the, well, Crown 4 on top of it. Obviously.
It's the Crown 4 kit with the Crown 4 mod and the Crown 4 tank.
It's pretty.
Can you guess what this one's called? It's Crown 4.
So as you can see, we've already taken it out of the box and everything. We were playing with it because we actually were like, maybe
we weren't playing with the mod, we were playing with the box.
So on the back, the kit includes the Crown 4 mod.
With the Crown
the Crown 4 atomizer. Pre-installed in the 0.4 ohm coil. Also comes with a micro USB cable, then an extra 0.2 coil, the user manual, a spare glass tube, which is actually the bubble glass. It comes with the straight glass on it. Packer replacement O-rings, and then a drip tip cover. User manual. Then, you know, battery safety, which I do like about UL that they include this.
Or you can just watch our video on it.
Yeah! That was very awkward. That was so awkward. And then the beautiful bubble glass, which I would replace. Well, okay, no, we'll go into that. And then the top cap protection. We'll show you in a little bit why we say no. Then inside this nice little box comes the extra coil, the 0.2, and then of course USB cable, which updates. Don't charge your mod with these people. I can only reiterate that so many times. And then O-ring, and time for the mod.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
A little bit about this mod. First off, I'm gonna say that it's basic.
It's pretty, it's a good starter.
This is going to be fantastic for anyone. Oh god.
But it's a nice start.
If you have makeup on your hands, don't use it.
If you have anything on your hands, don't use it.
But yeah, this is really good for starters. There's not a whole lot to it. So whenever you turn it on, let me go ahead and turn it off and then turn it on and show you. It is your typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clicks on, it says UL, and then it goes straight to the screen. You have the 74 watts, and it is in POW mode, aka power. What are you doing? So it is in power mode right now, and if you click it 1, 2, 3 times, you can change it. So you can push it up for temperature control mode, TCR, and then stainless steel, and then that's it. If you hold down the fire and the negative button, you lock everything. You cannot vape, and you cannot change the wattage. So it's gonna say, if I try to change it up or down, everything's locked. And then if you do the fire and a positive, you lock just the wattage, and you can still vape. Then if you hold down the negative and the positive, it flips the screen. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Yep, that's it. We aren't gonna get into too many details with the tank. We have a video for that already. We can I'll put the link in the description. I mean, the mod is really good if you want to start it. Now, I wouldn't say like completely start off like from smoking cigarettes, or if you're just trying to try out vaping, I wouldn't immediately go to this. Like, start with a stick first. But you can always move up if you want higher wattage, because this goes to 200 watts. That's one thing we didn't show. It goes to 200 watts, and it does round robin.
It does a round robin. So that's nice. That's kind of cool. It tells you the percentage of the battery.
Yeah.
It also shows you how much battery you have. In conclusion, it's pretty. It's a basic, but it's good. I'd give this to someone who's starting out.
Yeah. I would give that to my mom. If my mom wanted to start vaping, I would give that one to her. She loves purple. It'd be easier for her.
Easier for her.
It'd be easy for her to learn.
Yeah. Yeah, so there you have it. That is the Crown 4 kit. Also says checkmate.
To end this video, we're gonna try some vape tricks.
With a 6?
Yep, R.I.P.
I just did O's.
RIP. You wanna use this?
Oh.
Hey!
Yay, she got it.
Insert the A's. Let's try some O's. Ready? She got them. That's like a life.
Second life. There was a little one.
I'm mad!
Tornado. You're
I
gonna
think I did that last
on the camera.
Ooh, I got like 3.
Nice. She can do those better than I can.
Alright, so that was our failed attempt at tricks.
Failing at tricks. We'll do more later. We'll probably do like a video of us trying to do better tricks and failing.
Alright, so we're ending this video now. This was a good one for starters.
It also doesn't produce like an insane amount of clouds. If you probably took the tank off and put on something else, it might.
Yeah.
It's hot. And it's hot.
Yeah. We hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give us a like, comment some things and stuff.
Follow us on our stuff.
Yeah, and
it was fun.
it was fun. I have a headache now.
So we will see you next time.
We will see you next
Whenever it is.
next Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah, because this one's going up on Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Wait.
Going up
Yeah.
on a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday. Okay.
Okay.
So bye friends. We
Bye.
love you and we hope you enjoy. And you should subscribe
almost hit me.
if you like us.
Okay, bye.